barutwana ba bapalla ke go itshwara nakong ya ge go bo go gopola marutwana ka ena la thitha nako barutwana ka ena ba re go buile boima go bona go ka bea shedi ya bona dithutong le go itukisetša ditlhahlobo morago ga dihula gagwe seo ba senyakago ga bjale ke gore toka e phethagatswe.
In a class where Latita is not in anymore is traumatizing, and as well as the experience of the paper, we were not even able to write the exam. It was quite difficult.
That she was being bullied. She was a whole different person. She was closed off. She didn't want to speak about her feelings. She would cry most of the time.
Ka ge go be go tsebja gore nako bjana le pitso ya semoya ga bjale bo ipiletšwe ke bja gore go lebeledišiše leswa melawana ya dikolo gore e kgone go akaretša ditumelo ka moka.
When you have a calling on your own as an adult even, you have absolutely no control of the spirits that live inside of you. So I think even the department going forward needs to recognize that you are dealing with different people who are dealing with different spirits, who are coming from a variety or diverse belief systems.
Go le bjalo kgoro ya thuto ka Eastern Cape e ipiletša gore go be le peo marumo fase ge e sa le gare go nyakiša taba ye.
This is a critical time, a time when we are writing examinations for our learners. So we want to invite all of our people to keep calm and make sure that they support our learners so that they complete the academic year.
Tirelo ya poloko ya go swarwa ka Sontaga.